In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Smartsheet with Microsoft Excel in the easiest way possible. This is perfect if you're working with project data, task lists, or reports in Smartsheet, and you want to analyze or share that information in Excel. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to export your Smartsheet data into Microsoft Excel in just a few clicks. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and that you have the correct sheet open. This should be the sheet that contains the data you want to bring into Microsoft Excel. Once your sheet is open and visible on the screen, look toward the top left corner of the Smartsheet interface. Here, you'll see the File option. Go ahead and click on File. This opens up a menu with several different actions you can take with your sheet, including saving, sharing, and exporting. Next, inside the File menu, locate and click on Export. This option allows you to download your Smartsheet data in different formats. When you hover over or click Export, you'll see multiple export choices, depending on your account and sheet type. What we want here is the Excel option. Now, click on Export to Microsoft Excel. Smartsheet will immediately begin preparing your sheet for download. Depending on the size of your sheet and how much data it contains, this may take a few seconds. Once it's ready, the Excel file will automatically download to your computer. In most cases, you'll find it in your Downloads folder, unless you've set a different default location in your browser. After the download is complete, open the Excel file. You'll notice that your Smartsheet data has been transferred into Excel, including rows, columns, and most formatting. This makes it easy to continue working with your data, create charts, apply formulas, or share the file with team members who prefer using Microsoft Excel. One important thing to keep in mind is that this export is a snapshot of your Smartsheet data at that moment. If changes are made later in Smartsheet, they won't automatically update in Excel unless you export the sheet again. For many users, this manual export method is the simplest and most reliable way to integrate Smartsheet with Excel without using third-party tools. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Smartsheet with Microsoft Excel by exporting your sheet in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet, Excel, and productivity software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.